Hello, welcome back to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, the Intel Core and the Ryzen are banned from China. That is the response. I'm gonna let you know in this video, how did we get here? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So let's talk about how we got here, right? And I'm gonna do that in this first article, right? So on October 17th, last October 17th, the U.S. Department of Commerce Bureau of Industry and Security, the BIS, released a package of rules designed to update export controls on advanced computing semiconductors and semiconductor manufacturing equipment, as well as items that support supercomputing applications and end uses, to arms embargoed countries, including the PRC, which is the People's Republic of China, and place additional related entities in the PRC on the entity list. Now, we have a statement and it reads, export controls are a powerful national security tool, and the updates released today build on our ongoing assessment of the U.S. national security and foreign policy concerns that the PRC's military-civil fusion and military modernization present. Who said the Undersecretary of Commerce for Industry and Security, which is Alan F. Esteves. BIS will continue to assess the security environment and technology landscape and will not hesitate to act as appropriate. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So restrictions, the export of chips if they exceed over two parameters, the pre-existing performance threshold set in October 7th rule, and or the new performance destiny threshold, which is designed to preempt future workarounds. Next, we have the establishes a worldwide licensing requirement for export of controlled chips to any company that is headquartered in any destination subject to a U.S. arms embargo, including the PRC or Macau, or whose ultimate parent company is headquartered in those countries, to prevent firms from countries of concern from securing controlled chips through their foreign subsidiaries and branches. Next, we have creates a notification requirement for a small number of high-end gaming chips to increase visibility into shipments and prevent their misuse to undermine U.S. national security. So that is previous. This is new. This is the response. So let's talk about Article 2 now. China has brought in guidelines banning the use of US processors from Intel and AMD in government computers and servers. The new rules also ban Microsoft Windows and other foreign databases in favor of more domestic solutions. Government agencies are now required to use safe and reliable, quote-unquote, domestic replacements, which is a list, and peep this out, right? A list was released indicating 18 approved processors, which includes chips from Huawei and Phytium, I believe. Both of these companies are banned in the US. The guidelines were introduced in December and have been quietly implemented recently. They could have a major impact on Intel and AMD as well. China accounted for 27% of Intel's sales last year and 15% of AMD's revenue. It's unclear how many chips were being used inside the government versus private sector. This move is one of China's most aggressive when it comes to restricting the use of US technology. Last year, Beijing prohibited domestic companies using Micron chips. The US has also banned a wide variety of Chinese companies, from chip manufacturers to aerospace firms. So the Biden administration also banned US companies such as Nvidia from selling AI and chips to China. The US, Japan, and Netherlands led when it comes to manufacturing processors, and they have recently agreed to tighten export controls on lithography machines from ASL, Nikon, and Tokyo Electron. So Chinese companies including Beidou, Huawei, and Oppo have already begun designing semiconductors, preparing for a future where they can't import from other countries. Ooh, this is spicy, you guys. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please subscribe and like. Please subscribe and like. Please also let me know what you think. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.